Detailed digestive system 1.
In this topic, we will learn about
Teeth, tongue and peristalsis. The mouth is surrounded by a pair of lips. And has an upper jaw called maxilla and lower jaw called mandible. Each half of the jaw holds 2 incisors which are chisel-shaped and are used for cutting. One canine which is more pointed and dagger-shaped and is used for tearing or shredding. 2 premolars and 3 molars which are used for crushing and grinding, which are broad, having cusps. Thus, human teeth are dissimilar and so are called heterodont. The dental formula is represented as I 2 by 2, C 1 by 1, PM 2 by 2, M 3 by 3. Each tooth has 3 parts, namely crown, neck, and root. The crown is the uppermost region and is capped with hard enamel. Below the enamel is a layer of bony dentine, where lies the pulp cavity, having nerves and blood supply. The neck and the root region are held in the socket by a substance called cement. So, the human teeth are called thecodont. Children have a set of milk teeth, which are later on replaced by permanent teeth. So this process is called diphyodont. Tongue is a thick musculosensory organ on the floor of the buccal cavity. 3 types of papillae are found on it. The circumvallate papillae are up to 8 to 10 in number. They are large in size and have a circular outline. They lie in an inverted V shape on the tongue. The fungiform papillae are numerous in number, distributed at the tip and sides of the tongue. And are mushroom-shaped. The filiform papillae are most abundant but small. They are present on the interior 2/3 of the tongue. They are conical in shape. The foliate papillae are found on the lateral margins but are rudimentary in humans. The oral cavity leads through the pharynx into the tubular esophagus. At the tracheal opening, there is a small flap-like structure called epiglottis, which guards the opening of the trachea. The esophagus then opens into the stomach through a ring of muscle called the esophageal sphincter. Human skull shows the upper jaw and the lower jaw. The salivary gland is present near the upper jaw. The food in the mouth is chewed and it gets mixed with the saliva. This mass of food formed after mixing with saliva is called the bolus. It then passes into the esophagus. The downward movement of food is facilitated by a series of wave-like contractions of the muscles in the esophagus. This process is called peristalsis. This way, the bolus reaches the end of the esophagus and then passes into the stomach.